Welcome students. In today's lecture we are taking the vapor pressure and the Raoult's law. See, in previous session we had done Raoult's law for non-volatile solute and volatile solvent, right? And different terminologies were explained in last lecture. Okay, so the terms P10, P1, P10 minus P1, P10 minus P1 upon P10. Another side there is X of solute, so it's very simple. It's a number of moles of solute divided by total number of moles of solute, that is N1 and N2. N2 is much greater than N1, so this law is applicable only for the very dilute solution, but we will consider this equation, that is N2 divided by N1 plus N2 at all time. Okay, now today we are taking first of all one numerical to explain all the terms which had done in last lecture. Okay, see students, first of all you are given one question. In 800 gram of water, 15 gram of urea is dissolved. Okay, then calculate number 1, vapor pressure of solution. Number 2, lowering in vapor pressure. Number 3, relative lowering in vapor pressure. Okay, so total 3 terms are asked to you, and at that time at 298 Kelvin temperature, vapor pressure of pure water is given to you 50 ml. Just a minute. Yes students, so first of all 800 gram of water is given and 15 gram of urea is given. So urea is non-volatile solute, water is volatile liquid, so this formula will be applied. P10 minus P1 upon P10 equals N2 by N1 plus N2. Okay, now here we know that first you are asked the relative lowering in vapor pressure. It means you are asked this whole term. So another side what is given to you, that is N2 upon N1 plus N2. In short, it is mole fraction of solute. It is mole fraction of solute, isn't it? So here it is X2 is given to you, so N2 will be 15 by 60. It is 1 by 4.25, because molecular mass of urea is 60. Formula is NH2CONH2, right? It is amino formamide or aminomethanamide, and its molecular mass is, it will be given to you, it is 60, and N1 is 800 by 18, so it is 4 point something, I think 44, yes, 44.44. Okay, so that X2 will be N2 upon N1 plus N2. N2 is 0.25 and N1 plus N2 is 0.4 and 2, 6, 5 and 4, 9 and 44, isn't it? So our answer will be 0.25 divided by 44.69. Answer is 0.0056. 0.0056. So this is our X2. Okay, and here P10 minus P1 upon P10 this will be x of solute or x2, and it is 0.0056, means this one is your relative lowering in vapor pressure, means answer number 3. Okay, this would be answer number 3. Now next one. Next one is, you are asked lowering in vapor pressure. Lowering in vapor pressure means decrease in vapor pressure, means it is P10 minus P1, right? So this P10 minus P1, this division, this subsection is known as lowering in vapor pressure, and here it will be x of solute multiplied by P10. So x of solute means how much mole fraction of solute, and it is 0.0056. That is relative lowering vapor pressure, right? And P10 is given to you into the question, that is 50, isn't it? तो इसका half कर दो, it is 28, और फिर 2 point कट कर दो, so it is 0.28 mm. And finally here P10 minus P1, that is 0.28. So this is lowering vapor pressure, means our answer number 2. Okay, and last and final, what will be P1? So P1 will be P10 minus 0.28. P10 is 50 minus 0.28, so it is 49.72 mm, and this one is our answer number 1. तो स्टूडेंट्स ओवरऑल बात ये हुई, यहाँ पे आपको तीनों टर्म्स सब क्लियर होनी चाहिए. आंसर नंबर 1, यस. सो तीनों टर्म्स क्लियर होनी चाहिए. व्हाट इज P10 माइनस P1, what is P10 minus P1 upon P10, and what is P1. So all the things are asked. Sometimes you will be given P10 and you will be asked relative lowering in vapor pressure. At that time we know that relative lowering in vapor pressure means you are asked P10 minus P1 upon P10, isn't it? Means उस टाइम पे और कुछ करना ही नहीं है, बस यही फाइंड आउट करना है. तो फिर अगर आपको P10 दिया है फिर भी उसका यूज नहीं करना है. That's it. तो वो आपको याद रखना है. Sometimes you will be asked lowering in vapor pressure, means P10 minus P1. At that time P10 is needed. Okay, and third thing is P1. Okay, so it is done now. Yes students, next question. चलो अब यहाँ पे same thing आपको पूछिए, relative lowering vapor pressure, and number 3 is vapor pressure of solution, right? But for that you are given 0.03 molar glucose solution. Okay, it means here molality is given and you are asked mole fraction. आपको शायद याद होगा फॉर्मूला में यहाँ पे x of solute है, तो फिर मोलालिटी से मोल फ्रैक्शन हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करें? मीनिंग से याद होगा 0.03 मोलल, तो उसका मतलब है 1000 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर contains 0.03 moles of glucose is dissolved. So this is our N2. N1 can be calculated 1000 divided by 18, it is 55.5555 then 56. Okay, then x of solute can be calculated, N2 divided by N1 plus N2. What is N2? 0.03, and addition 55.59, right? And it is 0.03 divided by 55.59. Answer is 5.39 into 10 raised to minus 4, means 5.4. So basically 0.00054 it will be 1 1 2 3 4, yes, 0.00054, right? The x of solute is calculated. That is our P10 minus P1 upon P10 is 0.00054. It is unitless. Remember this thing. I think लिख लेता हूँ last. मैंने गलती से मैम तो नहीं लिखा ना. हाँ, it is unitless. Relative मतलब पता चला ना. Starting with respect to initial, how much vapor pressure is decreased. So this is our answer number 1. Now lowering in vapor pressure means P10 minus P1 equals 0.00054 into P10. अब P10 कितना होगा यहाँ पे, तो वो होगा 760 mm, because remember the statement that at boiling point of any liquid, vapor pressure of solution would be equal to its just atmospheric pressure. ओके तो अब ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन क्या होगा स्टूडेंट्स, 0.00054 multiplied by 760, it is 0.4104 mm, right? And P1 will be now 760 minus 0.4104, so it is 759.586, means 59 हम बोल सकते हैं, 759.59 mm. This is the answer. So now students, next question is, it is in homework, that calculate again 1, 2 and 3 relative lowering vapor pressure, and vapor pressure of solution for aqueous solution of sugar, that is sucrose, having concentration equals to 2% W by W. Okay, again 2% W by W of sugar solution, and 3 questions, and P10 is given, suppose 30 mm. Okay students, yes students, अब देखो एक्सरसाइज का 2.18, calculate the mass of non-volatile solute, molecular mass is 40, which should be dissolved in 114 gram octane to reduce its vapor pressure to 80%. 80% का मतलब क्या है कि if initial is 100 mm, then final vapor pressure will be reduced to लिखा है ना, तो 100 और फाइनल इज 80, मतलब कितना डिक्रीज होगा, फाइनल इज 80, just again here final is 80 mm, means decrease in vapor pressure is 100 minus 80, that is 20 mm. ओके तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ, ध्यान से पूरा देख लो, बाद में बोलो, इसका मतलब ये होगा कि अगर हम फॉर्मूला लिखे P10 upon P1 upon P10 which is x of solute, तो यहाँ पे आपको P10 minus P1, that is decrease in vapor pressure, that is P10 minus P1 with respect to P10, तो जो ये 20 कब मिलेगा, जब initial is 100, means already you are given 120. That's it. That is our x of solute. it is N2 divided by N1 plus N2. 20 by 100 is 0.2. N2 is W2 by molar mass is 40. Again W2 by 40. And here 114 gram octane. Students, octane का molecular mass के पहले तो formula क्या है? C8H18, right? So it's a 12 8 96, 96 and 18, it is 114 already, तो 1 mole हो जाएगा. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हुआ W2 by 40 और यहाँ पे होगा W2 by 40 plus 1. चलो 40 मल्टीप्लाई करो तो W2 by 40 डिवाइडेड बाय W2 plus 40 डिवाइडेड बाय 40. तो ये 40 मैंने LCM ले लिया है यहाँ पे. अब डिवाइडेड बाय 40 डिवाइडेड बाय 40 कट. तो अब कितना होगा यहाँ पे देख लो, W2 by 40, W2 plus 40 सॉरी. अब डिवाइडेड बाय 2 नीचे जाएगा, W2 by 0.2. अब 1 upon 0.2 कितना होगा पता है? 5 होगा. वो तो अंडरस्टूड है, आई थिंक समझ में आ गया होगा. अगेन W2 1 upon 0.2 it is 2 by 10, 10 by 2 that is 5. तो 5 W2. चलो एक माइनस करो, W2 5 W2 minus W2 it is 4 W2 equals 40. That's why W2 is 10 gram. That's it. Yes students, consider this question. See here you are asked molality, okay, and you are given that vapor pressure of solution is decreased by 1.5%. so vapor pressure is decreased by 1.5%. decrease means P10 minus P1 is 1.5 mm. When P10 is 100 mm, because percentage is calculated with respect to 100. Okay, so indirectly you are given P10 minus P1 upon P10 is 1.5 by 100 over, and we know that according to Raoult's law P10 minus P1 upon P10 is 1.5 by 100. अगर decreased by 2% दिया होता तो 2 by 100, 5% दिया होता तो 5 by 100. अगर ऐसा दिया हो कि vapor pressure of solution is decreased to 92% मीन्स 100 पे 8, वो तो आगे हमने किया देख लो. आपको दिया है डिक्रीज टू 80%, तो हमने 20 लिया था ना, 20 डिक्रीज होगा. तो यहाँ पे आपको डिक्रीज जो दिया है वही, जो डिक्रीज हो रहा है वही आपको, वही वैल्यू आपको दी. तो यहाँ पे आपको कंपल्सरी ध्यान रखना है व्हेन वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज डिक्रीज. 2 लिखा है या बाय लिखा है? 2 लिखा होता तो फाइनल, और बाय लिखा है तो मतलब डिक्रीज. ओके, अब राउल्ट्स लॉ के इक्वल्स में हम यहाँ पे क्या लिखते हैं? एक्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट लिखते हैं, राइट. तो एक्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट कितना होगा स्टूडेंट्स? 0.015. this is our x of solute, and now you are asked molality. So we know the relation between mole fraction and molality. It is molality equals x of solute into 100 divided by x of solvent into मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ, देखो यहाँ पे एक्वियस सोल्यूशन लिया है मींस वाटर लेंगे हम. ओके, सो इट इज 0.015 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1000 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.985 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 18. ओके, सो द कैलकुलेशन वुड बी 15 because 0.015 multiplied by 1000 is 15 divided by 0.985, right, divided by 18. It is 0.846 molar, and this is our answer. Yes students, so in how much mass of water 25 gram of sucrose should be dissolved to get the vapor pressure of solution is to be 1/8, means P10 should be 1/8 and P10 will be 1. Now simple apply the terms P10 minus P1 upon P10. It is N2 upon N1 plus N2, right? N2 is 25 divided by 342. So 25 divided by 342, and here W1 by 18. Now P10 is 1 minus 1 by 8 divided by 1. Okay, and here 25 divided by 342, here 342 W1 plus 25 into 18, so 72, 18 fours are 72 and 0.72. अरे सॉरी, फोर्थ पार्ट कर दो इसका, 18 का फर्स्ट टाइम हाफ 9 एंड 4.5, एंड 4.5 को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करो तो वो होगा 480, यस 450 डिवाइडेड बाय ओवरऑल डिवाइडेड बाय 342. ओके 342 कट, यहाँ पे होगा 7/8. ओके यहाँ पे 25 और नीचे आएगा 342 W1 प्लस 450. चलो अब सिंपल W1 को सब्जेक्ट बनाओ, बात खत्म. 342 W1 प्लस 450 जो था वो यहीं पे था, यही एक्सप्लेनेशन. फाइनल इज 1/8. अगेन फाइनल इज 1/8. ओके एंड P10 इज 1. 1/8 का मतलब क्या होता है? 8th part of 1 means initial is 1, तब जाके ये 1/8 होगा ना. ओके तो P10 is 1 and P1 is 1/8. अगर is the decrease in vapor pressure is to be 1/8 तो मतलब 1/8 डिक्रीज होगा. ओके यहाँ पे हम ये लेंगे. सो नाउ 25 into 8/7. ओके तो ये वाली टर्म हमने न्यूमरेटर में लिखी, बाकी का अनदर साइड हम लेके गए. तो यहाँ पे होगा 342 W1. अब यहाँ पे ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन 25 8 200 200. I think something is problem, yes स्टूडेंट्स. तो यहाँ पे 18 रह गया था. ओके तो वो ऊपर आएगा मल्टीप्लीकेशन में. यस यहाँ पे 18 रह गया था. ओके तो -450 और यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन क्या होगा? 25 8 200 and 200 multiplied by 18, 3600 by 7. तो 514.28, 514.28. So that W1 equals 514.28 minus 450, it is 64.28 divided by 342. So डिविजन से आपको आंसर मिलेगा 0.188 ग्राम. This is the answer. Okay. ये स्टूडेंट्स तो यहाँ पे आंसर वैसे अनरियलिस्टिक आ रहा है क्योंकि यहाँ पे मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट आपको बहुत कम मिल रहा है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैंने 1/8 लिखा है ना, एक्चुअली ये बहुत कम होता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स तो चलो अभी के लिए वैसे क्वेश्चन कैसे सॉल्व होता है वो फंडामेंटल, पहले तो मेन चीज है वो फंडामेंटल क्लियर होना चाहिए. ओके एंड आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर नाउ फॉर यू. जस्ट मिनट. Yes students, last question of today's session. You are given here 2% non-volatile solute. 2% means 2% W by W. It means 98 gram of water and 2 gram of solute, isn't it? Now you are given P1 is 1.004 bar and P10 exact vapor pressure of pure atmospheric pressure, and it is 1.013 bar. So now we will apply the formula P10 minus P1 upon P10 equals N2 upon N1 plus N2, right? So P10 is 1.013 minus 1.004 divided by 1.013. So it can be calculated, and N2 means 2 by M2, that is asked here 98 by 18 and here 2 by M2. So M2 can be calculated, and now tell me directly M2 का आंसर क्या आया भाई? One four 40 point something, right? Yes. तो यहाँ पे इसका आंसर आया 40 पॉइंट समथिंग ग्राम पर मोल. ओके, तो चलो अब ये कैलकुलेशन तो आप इजीली कर सकते हो. मेन फंडामेंटल क्या था, जो परसेंट दिया था उसके हिसाब से आगे करना. तो स्टूडेंट्स आज के लेक्चर में हमने वेपर प्रेशर लिया है. अगेन हमने वेपर प्रेशर लिया है यहाँ पे. ओके, तो उसके बेस के जितने भी टिपिकल क्वेश्चंस थे आज के लेक्चर में सब सॉल्व हो गए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो चलो इसी के साथ आज का लेक्चर कंप्लीट होता है. यस, इसके साथ आपको होमवर्क में अब ये ट्राई करना है, दैट इज 2.19. यस, 2.19 आपको होमवर्क में कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, दैट्स इट. ओके देन, गुड बाय.